Hello again, guys. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And today's demonstration is not going to be on a repaired customer's unit. This is going to go into the special types of knobs that are used on these 1965 and 66 Ford units. I've seen this knob used on Thunderbird units in some cases, Mustang units, probably a few others. But the main thing about these units is that the center knobs, the inner knob, has the shaft attached. The shaft is not sticking out of the unit. With the knobs removed, this model is supposed to look like that, with no control shaft sticking out. Only the inner shaft only goes as far as the outer shaft on this model, and so you might see. If you're buying units off of eBay or stuff like that, you might see a unit that has the shaft part attached, but that's not the way it's supposed to be. The shaft is actually part of the knob on this model. They're special knobs. They're hard to find. They can be pretty expensive. That's why I have my set painted a sickly orange color so that there's no mistaking when I get ready to pack a customer's unit. It's like, well, no, those are my knobs. So that's why I have mine painted a sickly orange color, so that I don't accidentally leave them with a customer's unit. So that was the only purpose of this video, was to clear up a little confusion. I've seen some pretty creative methods to make up for the fact that they can't get the right knob. I've seen people shove pieces of Allen wrench in there and then crimp it down and somehow make it to where they can get a knob on it. If I see that kind of stuff, I remove it and I send it out the right way. So anybody who has these creative solutions on their radio, if you don't want me to remove that stuff and put it right, you need to write on the work order, please leave crappy workmanship in place when it comes to the knobs or something like that, because that is crap, and I generally don't send out crap. So if you want me to keep the crap in place, you have to specifically note on the work order, please keep the crap. Okay, so once again, this is how a set of knobs should look for this model. It has a shaft attached. The part of the shaft that's inside the knob has one-way barbs, so that it's not supposed to be able to pull away from the knob. But if you've got a unit where there is some shaft sticking out, obviously that shaft became rusted to the control shaft and allowed it to be removed from the knob. But this is the way the knobs are supposed to look for this unit. The shaft part is part of the knob itself. So that's the only purpose of this video, was to clear up that confusion. I've had a few customers contest me on that, and I'm sorry guys, I'm the guy who has the service manuals. I think I know what's supposed to go on there. So this is how it's supposed to be. No shaft sticking out. That applies to just the 65 and 66, some of the 65 and 66 Ford units, Thunderbird, Mustang, probably a few others. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.